detail, honey.
Easy. Easy. She's gonna get you. That is the cutest thing ever. She sounds like one of those squeaky, shaky toys.
Yeah, that's what Sasha thought too.
Easy. Back up. She's gonna get you.
She's not tall enough to reach you.
She got you. Tell her. She's like, let me have it on the ladder.
She's like, you brought me a new toy. This is the best one ever.
I know. She just bounces like a bunny rabbit. Come here, Sasha. Sasha.
It's like a big guinea pig.
That's no. No ball. Easy.
She's like, I use my paws. I'm a boxer.
No, she does not. Okay. You know what? I think it's Vincent's turn.
Yeah. I think they might be okay together.
I think so.